Sparrow. Concentration. Take them away. Sparrow, get rid of obstacles. Narrow your aim. Concentrate your mind. Strike at the target. You have done very well. You've graduated. But this is just the perfection of technique. I must admit, there is still a big gap between technique and transcendency.
But then, haven't you mastered it?
The most supreme level of martial arts is the stage when one reaches infinity and discovers emptiness. Whether your master has reached this stage is hard to tell. Who can be the judge? Who can validate me? Go ahead, my dear. I've long discovered you have the potential to be my sole successor. I know that. However, you have work to do. You must avenge your father's death.